Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to replace Volkswagen Passat B7 low beam light bulb in 6 easy steps. First, open the bonnet to reach behind the headlight. Here we have 2 rubber covers and one from plastic. That one. So we have to remove that plastic cap. So here we have a Volkswagen Passat B7 headlight from the left side. So we will replace the low beam light bulb from this one. So here is the light bulb, this is the low beam. So first remove the plastic cover, twisting it counterclockwise. You will have also close and open on the cover. Then you have to pull the cables to take the light bulb out. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Then disconnect the cables from the light bulb holder. Volkswagen Passat B7 is using an H7 light bulb for low beam that you can find it in the video description below. Then connect the cables back on the new light bulb. And then you have to insert the light bulb in the same position that you remove it. Then put the plastic cover back and twisting it clockwise. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comment section. If my video was helpful, please like, comment and subscribe or send me a super thanks.